Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Start and searching for Device Manager. This is fast and avoids menus. Press the Windows key or click Start, then start typing Device Manager immediately so search populates. Make sure to watch the top of the results list because Windows ranks Control Panel entries highest. Once you see Device Manager, click it or press Enter. This launches the MMC view that lists hardware categories, which you will use to inspect and manage drivers and devices in the next steps. Now that Device Manager is open, expand the relevant category by clicking the caret next to names like display adapters or network adapters so you can see individual devices. Right-click a specific device to access properties, update driver, disable device, or uninstall device. These options let you diagnose or change driver behavior. Make sure to check the View menu. Selecting Show Hidden Devices can reveal ghosted entries. Once you've identified a target device, open Properties to read status and driver details for the final steps. In Properties, switch to the Driver tab to update driver, roll back driver if a recent change broke things, or uninstall if you're reinstalling. After making changes, restart the PC to ensure drivers reload cleanly. Many fixes require a reboot to take effect. If Device Manager won't open or changes fail, try running System File Checker or use System Restore to revert to a known good state. One key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to uninstall problematic drivers safely and then reinstall stable versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.